Marami sa inyong hindi pa nakakatikim ng nata de coco na atsara, pero the best, solid. Ayan o, as in, if you're bitter, try this. It's so yummy! A long time ago, nag-post ako about this pickled nata de coco. Yes, yung alam nyong nata de coco na dessert nilalagay sa halo-halo, pwede palang atsara. At ngayon, susubukan din natin yung kanilang pickled garlic, pickled hearts of palm, ubod yan. Yung pickled mango, pickled ampalaya. So ayan, we have 5 different kinds of pickles. Ipapares natin sa crispy pata and lechon belly. This is pickled mango. I'm kinikilig. Where's Kuya Popoy? He likes this. Galing sa Guagua, Pampanga. Next is ubod. May si Papa sa pickled garlic. Hindi katulad dun sa ibang nagpipickled garlic ng mga Korean na tamis na lang yung natitikman mo. Ito, nasang garlic pa rin. Ampalaya. Para sa lahat ng bitter sa life. It's good, it's good, it's good. Nata de coco.
Nata de coco.
Yes, it's good. I mean, I'm not gonna be surprised. I already know this is good.
It's sour. So sour.
Kung mahilig din kayo sa iba't ibang klase ng pickled vegetables, try Nico's homemade food products.